Happy New Year. Oh, she got mad. Kiss. Kiss. You look really old.
Huh?
You look really old. Like 50 or 60 or so. Like 15 or 16. Look at your big muscles. But you're still cute. Are you watching something educational?
Yes.
I don't want to go by.
Do you like it?
You go by.
Comes to me, speaking words of wisdom, let it be. Yeah, let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Yeah, there will be an answer. Let it be. Let it be. Let it be. Blue suburban skies. Pretty lady.
Oh, hold still. He's really cute.
I made Luna.
Oh, that looks
It's a fat cat.
Okay. Okay. You're responsible of it now. Good job.
He's already sick of it. You're already sick of it.
Hey, chick, 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 chickie.
This is Jimmy, John, and Joe, and Bo.
Did you get him? Yeah. Did you shoot him?
I'm shooting a card. Why is it so? Let's do that one. Hey, John.
Let me see. Oh, you did get him.
Come on, watch out.
It's not an owl, is it?
I think it is.
Banning made himself a toy. Come do chicken chores with me. It's negative 34 wind chill, but here in the woods we don't have much wind, so we are probably just negative 13, the actual temperature. Oh, things are looking good in here. Last night we had a very frigid temp, so I added a second heat lamp. We were at 5 degrees last night in here with the second heat lamp added and the door closed all night. We were at a cozy 28. You guys happy? So happy. Good morning, girls. I added these new Nest Box liners. They've ruffled them up a little bit to make them extra cozy, but it's keeping my eggs so much cleaner. I spy 2 sun dogs. Oh, 3. This morning I decided to give my eggs that I just picked to the farm cats. I gave all of them to the farm cats because I think they need a little extra protein and fat. This is Puff, Buddy. His coat isn't as thick. He's a new kitty from fall. And Callie, old mama, and Spirit. This is a new little friend that just found our place, and thankfully she did. She was hungry. The big tomcat. But so gentle. And this is Fuzz. Hi, Fuzz. And this is Puff, not to be confused with one another. They're out of the wind. Big cave under your favorite person. He's so cozy. Oh, that was pretty good.
Can one. No, it can one.
You have a sore paw?
Eat it. No.
Wow.
See the video how.
It'll work.
Oh! No!
As soon as you stop your hand.
Nice, Quinn. Nice.
I'm leaving this way, so I am to the square.
Good.
Ooh.
That's why I had that.
rumbler?
Yeah, I'm eating mine. No, wait. I'm trying to flip over.
Nice handstand.